Good Saturday morning, South Carolina Weather Watch, and I'm the host for South Carolina Weather, Jesse Peterson. Let's talk about the weather for your Saturday. Now, looking at the radar right now, as you can see, we do have some storms and some downpours going through the Georgetown region right now, as well as off the coast of Charleston. But other than that, that's all that's going on right now in terms of rain. As we move our way over to the MRMS, talk about the entire United States. See, we do have some severe weather going on outside Canada, northern Minnesota, some downpours going on in North Dakota, showers going on in South Dakota and Nebraska, as well as over here in Minnesota and Wisconsin. We do have some storms going through there. Flooding concerns possible for Kansas and Missouri, as well flooding concerns up here inside the coastal northeastern regions. Also off of the coast of us, we do have some rain out there. Florida getting their rain, and like California, Nevada, and western Arizona is getting some rain right now as well. The Pacific Northwest is looking absolutely fantastic, and southern Texas is getting some rain as well. As we look at our cloud cover right now shows mainly scattered to mainly widespread clouds going through pretty much going through the low country and PD region of South Carolina, southern Midlands of South Carolina as well. It's all going through there. And as we continue, as we push it through like the next couple hours or so, around later tonight or around tonight at around 10, 11 o'clock, most of those clouds will still be there. They won't really be heading anywhere. And as we get into our Sunday morning, you can see that clouds will really be trying to clear out in the low country and PD region, and maybe trying to build up a little bit inside of the upstate. So we'll continue to watch out for that. Here's our current temperatures: 84 in Columbia, 84 in Charleston, 89 in Savannah, 82 in Myrtle Beach, 82 in Rock Hill, 86 Greenville and Anderson, 84 Sumter and Florence. High temperatures for today is around 98 in Columbia, 89 in Charleston, 92 inside of Hilton Head Island, 88 Myrtle Beach, 94 inside of Spartanburg, 95 Greenville, 96 Anderson, 95 Rock Hill, and those heat index values could be in the hundreds as well, so you're going to have to watch out for heat index values. Peak sustained winds for today is going to be very calm inside the upstate, in the inland low country of South Carolina, but once you get to like the southern Midlands, you're trying to get up there to like 6 miles an hour, but it starts to really like feel noticeable once you get towards the coast. 8 miles an hour at Georgetown, 12 at Charleston, 10 at Hilton Head Island, 13 at Myrtle Beach. And then here's our peak wind gusts. Again, peak wind gusts for the inland regions are just not there. Really calm today. Wind gust around 15 miles an hour at Charleston, 13 Hilton Head Island, 14 Georgetown, 18 Myrtle Beach. Here's our forecasted precipitation for the next 24 or so hours. You can see around 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch possible in Charleston, 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch in Myrtle Beach. Same thing with Georgetown, 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch in Kingstree, and then 1/100th of an inch to 1/10 of an inch for Dillon, Sumter, Columbia, Aiken, Barnwell, and Orangeburg. As we move through those regions as well, also 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch possible inside of Hilton Head Island. And then as we move into our SPC outlook for today, we're just under TSTM. So from the upstate all the way, so pretty much the upstate, if you're in the upstate, you really don't have a chance for any type of thunderstorm development today. But if you're inside the low country or the Midlands PD region, you do have a chance for some thunderstorms today. And then in terms of excessive rainfall, the low country and PD regions both have chances for some minor flooding going through today if those storms do get going enough. So now let's go and let's talk about the future. And when I say the future, I mean like the next, let's say like the next 24 or so hours, like going through today pretty much. As we move through today, showers and storms will start to form at around 2, 3 o'clock around in the low country of South Carolina. And then downpours and showers will start to form even inside the upstate and Midlands at around 4 o'clock. And you can see that they're not really too intense in the upstate, but then once you get down to like the low country and the PD regions is when they really start to get intense. Even through around the 7, 8 o'clock hours, even 10 o'clock, we can still see some showers and downpours over there near places like Gaffney, Greenville, Union, Sumter, Edgefield, and that's pretty much all. I mean, and then here's tomorrow as well, but we're not going to go that far just yet. We'll talk about that more tonight. So again, scattered thunderstorms are possible. Not really looking like bad thunderstorms. Heavy rain could obviously happen. Um, you know, cloud to ground lightning could obviously happen. Gusty winds, small hail, all of that is possible. All of that cannot be ruled out. But it's really looking like that. It's not going to be too intense or anything like that. And nothing for the tropics. You can see here tropical cyclone activity is not expected during the next 7 days. So we're still chilling with tropical storm activity for the next 7 days. And that's all that I have. So I'm going to move it back. Here's your one last look at the radar right here. You see over here, you start to see like those showers off the coast and near Georgetown as well. That one shower near Georgetown. And these thunderstorms off the coast of Charleston, which did have the chance for some water spouts. Also, I saw some very good water spout pictures. I think it was off the coast of like Isle of Palms or something like that. There was a water spout over there. So very cool pictures to see. If you have not seen them, I recommend that you look them up. I saw mine on Twitter. So if you have Twitter or X, go on and check it out if you would like to see it. Anyways, that is it for this forecast update for this morning. I will be back tonight, 9 o'clock, with another forecast update.
Hey, hey.